Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook Reels after posting. So you have to just open the Facebook. So you have to see that this is I posting the reel, and you have to click and you have to go to the three dots, and there is edit reel button. So you have to click to the edit reel. Simply just click to the edit reel, and you see there is hashtag and mention someone. So you have to click to mention someone. Click to the mention, and I will randomly add tag to someone on after posting reel on Facebook. So I will add someone randomly, for example, to teach you. So I will this person tag to this reel, and you see my reel is previously posting. So you see it will be mentionedly on my profile icon. So this is, hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.